Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're experiencing a TPM issue with Bitlocker as well. So if you have Bitlocker on your computer and you're coming across this issue with the TPM module, this tutorial will be for you. So let's go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. So go ahead and left click on the start button one time, type in group policy. Best match should come back with edit group policy. You want to go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Now that we are in the local group policy editor, I'm just going to make this window a little wider here so we can more clearly see where we are navigating over to. And you want to go ahead and start by expanding the computer configuration section. So underneath computer configuration, make sure the drop down's here. If user configuration is expanded, I'd recommend collapsing it, just so we don't have the conflicting folders here. We don't want to show the same folders twice because we might end up going down a different direction here. So underneath computer configuration itself, you want to go ahead and expand administrator templates, and then you want to go ahead and left click on Windows components. Now that you have opened up Windows components here, you want to go expand that as well. Should be something that says Bitlocker drive encryption. Expand that one as well at this point. And then you want to left click on operating system drives. Now there should be something on the right side that says require additional authentication at startup. You want to go ahead and double click on that. You want to go ahead and switch that over to enabled. Make sure your settings appear as they do on my screen. And once you're done with that, left click on apply and OK. And now if you try and configure your drive with Bitlocker, it should be able to work. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.